Citizenship by descent is a legal pathway that allows people to acquire citizenship based upon their ancestry, often through a parent, a grandparent, and sometimes even further back. And before you ask, yes, most countries do allow for dual citizenship, including the United States. And honestly, in today's world, if you can claim citizenship by descent, you should just do it. I think about it a little like having an insurance policy in these changing times. And then you also have to consider that in a lot of these countries, if you don't claim it, that means your kids and your grandkids will not be able to claim it later on. All right, quick overview on the process. So eligibility is going to vary by country. Now, some countries like Italy, Ireland, and Spain will allow you to claim citizenship if you can prove descent from a citizen, even if it goes several generations back. All right, so key documents. That's going to be things like birth certificates, marriage records, and death certificates, because that helps you establish that direct lineage that we need to prove. And then as far as benefits, you're going to gain the rights and privileges of citizenship, so that's the ability to live, work, and study in that country without a visa. And then you also have to consider that for EU countries, citizenship by descent gives you access to the entire European Union as well. Alrighty, so the application process. It is always going to involve gathering a bunch of documents and getting them legalized to prove your descent. And then once you have those documents gathered, the process then becomes filing an application with the appropriate government agency or consulate. And then at that point, some countries will require an in-person interview at their consulate as well. Now, popular countries are going to be Italy. Italy's very popular, and they recognize citizenship if no ancestor has renounced their Italian citizenship before you. Now, Ireland is also very popular, and they allow you to apply if a grandparent was born in Ireland. And then Germany is another really popular country for these programs as well. Okay, so you can see that these citizenship by descent programs are a really attractive option for those of you with eligible ancestry and maybe an interest in deeper ties to your heritage as well. Okay, so give us a call and let's get your citizenship by descent paperwork filed. Let's get you that second passport.